Someone is running a winning ad on Meta right now, and I just cloned it for my brand in 3 minutes. No guessing, no briefs, no starting from scratch. Here's exactly how I did it using Tagshop AI's new ad clone feature. Step 1. Go to Meta Ad Library or TikTok and find your competitor's best performing ad. The one you keep seeing everywhere. That's the one that's working. Copy the URL. That's all you need. Step 2. Open Tagshop AI. Click on Ad Clone. Paste your competitor's ad URL directly into the tool. Tagshop AI now reads that ad. The hook, the structure, the pacing, the style, everything that makes it work. Step 3. Choose your product. Add your product description. Upload your product images. Tagshop AI now rebuilds that winning ad, but for your brand, your product, your audience. Hit generate. In under 3 minutes, you have an inspired version of a proven high performing ad built around your product, ready to run. You are not copying, you are taking a proven formula and making it yours. The brands winning right now are not guessing what works, they are starting with what already works and making it better. That is exactly what Ad Clone lets you do. Try it free, link in bio, and follow for more AI UGC tutorials every week.